Hello, how are you? Hope you are fine. Today we choose the topic SEO and how it works. SEO is the process of taking steps to help a website or piece of content rank higher on Google. To make it a bit simpler, search engine optimization means taking a piece of online content and optimizing it so search engines like Google show it towards the top of the page when someone searches for something. What exactly is SEO? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, which is the practice of increasing the quantity and quality of traffic of your website through organic search engine results. How can I do SEO for my website? How to optimize your website for SEO in 8 simple steps. First step, analyze all of your website data. And second one, conduct throughout keyword research. And third one, produce long and value rich content. Number 4, optimize for on page SEO. Number 5, optimize for off page SEO. Optimize number 6, optimize the website for mobile. Number 7, speed up the page. And last one, number 8, get quality backlinks. What is SEO example? Search engine optimization is the art and science of getting pages to rank higher in search engines such as Google. Because search is one of the main ways in which people discover content online. Ranking higher in search engines can lead to an increase in traffic to our website. Is SEO easy to learn? It includes everything a beginner needs to know about SEO. SEO not that hard to learn. All you have to do is be willing to allocate the necessary time and effort to learn the various SEO concepts. There are a plethora of online resources you can use to start learning SEO, and why not become an SEO expert in no time. How SEO works step by step. What is an SEO strategy? Step number 1, create a list of keywords. And step number 2, analyze Google's first page. Step 3, create something different or better. Step 4, add a hook. Step 5, optimize for on page SEO. Step number 6, optimize for search intent. Step number 7, make your content look awesome. Step number 8, build links to your page. How do I find SEO keywords? How to research keywords for your SEO strategy. Step number 1, make a list of important relevant topics based on what you know about your business. Step number 2, fill in those topics buckets with keywords. Step number 3, understand how intent affects keyword research and analyze accordingly. Step number 4, research related search terms. How do I start SEO? How to start an SEO campaign. Step number 1, set KPI and goals. Step 2, analyze your current website setup. Step 3, topic creation and keyword research. Step 4, establish a pillar content strategy. Step 5, perform an SEO audit. Step 6, work on audit findings. Step 7, work on local SEO. And step 8, work on backlinks. Can I do SEO yourself? You can absolutely do SEO yourself with some research and lots of practice. Anyone can learn how to do SEO for their business. A quick way to get started with SEO is to enter your URL here and then focus your SEO efforts on the recommended action items. How do I create SEO keywords? Step 1, study your niche. Step 2, define your goals. Step 3, make a list of relevant topics. Step 4, create a list of seed keywords. Step 5, use good keyword research tools. Step 6, study the search intent. Step 7, identify long tail keywords. Step 8, find out about your competitors. Is Google a SEO? Let's start with SEO. SEO or search engine optimization is the practice of including content on your site that has the potential to improve your site's visibility to search engines and their users. In other words, it can help your site show up more often in relevant search. How many types of SEO are there? Three kinds. The three kinds of SEO are on page SEO, anything on your web page, blogs, product, copy, web copy, off page SEO, anything which happens away from your website that helps with your SEO strategy, backlinks. Technical SEO, anything technical undertaken to improve search rankings, site indexing to help bot crawl. How important is SEO? The most important SEO tasks have to do with identifying what users are searching for that is related to your products and services. Creating content that will make users happy, providing the right signals to search engines, clouds, and algorithm through various SEO techniques. Does SEO require coding? The short answer is no. SEO typically does not require much or any hands-on coding. You can absolutely do a fine job of SEO without touching code. But the longer answer is that yes, a good sense of how programming works or even an ability to do a bit coding yourself is always a useful skills to have. Thank you.